Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying your university sign-in and permissions so events sync across devices. Once done, create distinct calendars labeled classes, assignments, and exams, then assign each a color for fast recognition. Add one-off events from your syllabus immediately, class times, lab sessions, and instructor office hours, so you have a solid scaffold. Make sure to enter exact locations and recurrence patterns for repeating classes, because accurate repeating events save time. And next, you'll refine your schedule by adding recurring events and sensible reminders so nothing sneaks up on you. Once recurring classes are set, block focused study sessions with estimated durations and include short buffer times before or after to transition. Use tasks for to-do details and attach Zoom links or meeting locations to events for quick access. Also, share dedicated calendars with classmates for group work. This ensures everyone sees deadlines and avoids scheduling conflicts. To finish, set a weekly review habit where you adjust study durations, move blocks, and resolve overlaps using day or week view. Once comfortable, export a backup. IKEs occasionally and confirm device sync and offline access so nothing is lost when you travel. If events disappear or don't sync, check calendar visibility first, then permissions for shared calendars, and finally account sync settings. These 3 checks solve most issues. Keep this routine, and your semester stays manageable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.